hope I'm not going to get problems with this again. This engine service now light's come on again, and that is on again. Strange. Okay, so when I first got this van, the previous owner told me the ECU being remapped to be more economical, got more power higher up, and it was apparently much quicker than it was before. Now, when I had a problem a few months ago, bear in mind I've not done much mileage since, I do very little mileage in this. I had the problem with the ECU, when the ECU was replaced. It's going to go back to however the new ECU is mapped, so that'll be back to standard. Before the ECU were replaced, it's got very little power, below 1500 revs. Even when the ECU was replaced, it still wasn't much better. It's slightly better, but not a lot. So I've got a problem code of P0299, which I've looked it up on. I've looked at a few YouTube videos, I've looked it up online, what it refers to. The Ford Transit Camper Van Group are telling me it's likely the MAP sensor. So I've got the code reader on go. I've got no actual instructions, so I need to figure out what's appropriate for giving me some sort of boost figure for the turbo. I'm not sure which the relevant figures are, but these three are the moving figures, the things that move when the vehicle engine revs are changed. So take these at tick over 1500 revs, 2000, and just put it foot down heavy for this one. So I'll just save them for a before and after comparison. Okay, I've decided first the best thing to do first on this is to actually check this map sensor. The first thing to do is find it. This is a Mark 8 Transit 2.2 litre diesel, and according to Google, these are usually easy to find. This is not easy to find, not when you're unfamiliar with turbo engines especially, but it's in a funny place as well. This thing casts a big shadow over everything. It's actually, okay, I've got torch on job from the front, right hand side. It is difficult to see, just lit up. That is the Torx bolt. I believe it's a T30, so it's just that one bolt to come off. Okay, so new part's been delivered. Exactly the same as the old one. There's no print on that bit, that's the only difference. That's the new one, that's the old one. I'll get it put in. So I like to push it into the wire first, and then it can't drop anywhere. Actually might be wrong way up. No, it's up, that's it. Can't see very well what I'm doing here at all. You know, that's it. Okay, so I've got engine running. These are figures I got before with the old port, and these are the figures I've got now. This load PCT, oh, you can see that 37, 36, 37. That's noticeably higher than it was before it took over. Get up to 1500 revs and see what we've got here. Fine throttle. Okay, so just had a quick test drive. It seems to be a little bit better. It's not a drastic improvement, but I wouldn't expect that anyway, because it seems like it's pretty borderline, the fault code coming on, because I've been out in it a few times, albeit short distances, and it's only just come on. So I don't know, I think it's improved a bit. I'll just have to see if fault code comes on again, and if it does, I'll get it dealt with when it goes in for the next MOT, which is only about a month from now.